Choosing between walking and running can be a challenge when trying to improve your health and fitness. Both activities offer unique benefits and can be tailored to suit different fitness levels, goals, and preferences. In this video, we'll explore the advantages and disadvantages of walking and running to help you decide which is better for your health. Whether you're a seasoned runner or someone looking to start a new exercise routine, understanding the benefits of each can help you make an informed choice. Walking and running are two of the most accessible and effective forms of cardiovascular exercise. Both activities can improve your cardiovascular health, help you manage your weight, and boost your mental well-being. However, they differ in terms of intensity, impact, and the specific health benefits they offer. We will break down these differences and provide insights into how each activity can fit into your lifestyle. By understanding the benefits and drawbacks of walking and running, you can make a more informed decision about which activity best suits your fitness goals and lifestyle. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, improve cardiovascular health, or simply enjoy the mental benefits of regular exercise, choosing the right activity can help you stay motivated and achieve your health goals. This knowledge can lead to a more effective and enjoyable exercise routine, contributing to long-term health and well-being. Practical tips and actionable advice. Assess your fitness level. Consider your current fitness level and any existing health conditions. If you're new to exercise or have joint issues, walking might be a better starting point. For those with a higher fitness level and no significant health issues, running can provide a more intense workout. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your exercise routine. For weight loss, running may help you burn more calories in a shorter time. For overall health and lower impact on joints, walking can be just as beneficial if done consistently. Consider time and convenience. Evaluate how much time you can dedicate to exercise each day. Walking is easier to fit into a busy schedule and can be done almost anywhere. Running may require more time for warm-up and cool-down, but provides a more intense workout in less time. Mix it up. Incorporate both walking and running into your routine to enjoy the benefits of each. Alternate between walking and running to prevent boredom and overuse injuries. Try interval training, which combines walking and running, for a balanced workout. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to each activity. If you experience pain or discomfort, consider adjusting your routine or consulting a healthcare professional. Ensure you're wearing appropriate footwear to reduce the risk of injury. Detailed comparison. Walking. Benefits. Low impact. Walking is a low-impact exercise, making it easier on the joints and suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. Accessibility. You can walk almost anywhere, and it requires no special equipment. Mental health. Walking can help reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance mental clarity. Cardiovascular health. Regular walking can improve cardiovascular health, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Weight management. Walking helps in weight management, especially when combined with a healthy diet. Drawbacks. Time-consuming. Walking generally burns fewer calories per minute than running, so you may need to spend more time walking to achieve the same calorie burn. Lower intensity. It may not provide the same level of cardiovascular conditioning as running. Running. Benefits. High calorie burn. Running burns more calories per minute, making it an effective choice for weight loss. Cardiovascular health. Running can significantly improve cardiovascular fitness and increase endurance. Bone health. The high-impact nature of running helps build stronger bones and improves bone density. Mental health. Running releases endorphins, which can help reduce stress, improve mood, and combat symptoms of depression. Efficiency. You can achieve a more intense workout in a shorter amount of time compared to walking. Drawbacks. Higher risk of injury. Running, especially on hard surfaces, increases the risk of injuries such as shin splints, knee pain, and stress fractures. Joint impact. The high-impact nature of running can be hard on the joints, particularly for those with existing joint issues or those who are overweight. Accessibility. Running may require more specific conditions, like safe, even surfaces and proper footwear, to prevent injuries. Techniques and habits. Warm up and cool down. Regardless of whether you choose walking or running, always start with a warm-up to prepare your muscles and end with a cool-down to reduce muscle soreness. Proper footwear. Invest in good quality shoes that provide adequate support for your chosen activity. Hydration and nutrition. Stay hydrated and fuel your body with the right nutrients to support your exercise routine. Consistency. Make walking or running a regular part of your routine. Consistency is key to reaping the health benefits of either activity. Track your progress. Use a fitness tracker or app to monitor your distance, pace, and progress over time. This can help keep you motivated and on track with your goals. Practical application. To determine which activity is best for you, consider your personal preferences and lifestyle. If you enjoy the solitude and meditative aspects of a leisurely walk, incorporate walking into your daily routine. On the other hand, if you prefer a more intense workout that provides a quick boost of endorphins, running might be the better choice. For those looking to maximize their health benefits, a combination of both walking and running can be highly effective. For example, you might walk on your rest days from running to keep your body active without overexerting yourself. Alternatively, you could use running for your high-intensity workouts and walking for active recovery. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Assess fitness level. Choose walking if you're new to exercise or have joint issues. Choose running for a more intense workout if you're fit and healthy. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve, such as weight loss or improved cardiovascular health. Consider time and convenience. Walk if you have a busy schedule and need flexibility. Run if you want a quick, intense workout. Mix it up. Combine walking and running to enjoy the benefits of both activities. Listen to your body. Adjust your routine if you experience pain or discomfort. Conclusion. Both walking and running offer significant health benefits, and the best choice depends on your personal preferences, fitness level, and health goals. Walking is a low-impact, accessible exercise that can improve cardiovascular health and mental well-being, while running provides a higher intensity workout that burns more calories and strengthens bones. By assessing your individual needs and incorporating both activities into your routine, you can enjoy the best of both worlds and achieve a well-rounded, effective exercise regimen. Please leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. For more help, guidance, and support, check the description below. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health. Subscribe to our channel today so you can continue on with your self-improvement journey.